sasa ndo inabamba mama,
yetu sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
the way you make me feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diana. I want to take this opportunity, guys, to thank you for supporting me and showing me love, guys. Yeah, I really appreciate. And for the returning subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you and welcome back to this channel. And for if you're new here or you're watching this channel for the first time, welcome and thank you so much. Kindly hit that subscribe button. So guys, I'm back with another video. I want us to prepare mandazi. It's very easy, guys. So I have my wheat flour. It's already mixed with salt, baking powder, sugar. So the only thing I've added here is my blue band and water. And guys, I've already covered my unga because it's already mixed and it's very easy. Just see, I've already do it. So let me cover it. Natungoje for almost 30 minutes. Then we'll be back. So stay tuned. So guys, let's start. Guys, tunataka according to the shape you want. My space is very small. Let's continue.
Always watching me in my sleep, in my dream, and in my waking. You sat on me on every side. You're behind me and before me.
So guys, I'm done. It was easy and fast. See, my mandazis, they are ready. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment to my videos, and without forgetting to subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye. Nawapenda.